So here we have a sugar beet that we saw on the flat pad earlier, and in the next stage of the process we will slice the sugar beet using knives, a bit like a grater here. So we will scrape the sugar beets down a set of knives, and we produce what we call cassettes. And these are the chipsticks that I referred to earlier.
A bit like a shoestring fry.
Exactly the shape of a shoestring fry, that we then put into the diffusing process and dissolve the sugar out of the shoestring fry.
I've been working with sugar for over 20 years, and I would just never even think about all these different elements. You just think about the final granules you see in the pack, so to see all of this broken down like this.
And all of those final granules that you saw started as a sugar beet grown in a local farm in the UK to red tractor standards, and it goes through this fascinating process and then eventually makes its way into the cakes and chocolate of Great Britain.